How would you go about treating a slow thyroid?
Well, the most important part of treating a slow thyroid or hypothyroid is finding out how low it really is. Most people come to see me and they suspect that their thyroid is slow, but they have been told it's normal. So first of all, we run the more comprehensive testing that most doctors just don't run because that's not their specialty. And once we find out how slow it is, then we give glandular thyroid along with nutrients to support the thyroid to increase the levels. And then of course we follow up with the appropriate tests again to make sure. I find it's interesting how so many people really understand intuitively that their thyroid is slow. They'll say, you know, I'm cold, I can't lose weight, I have some depression, and I've read that these are thyroid symptoms, but my doctor says my thyroid is fine. And then we run the more detailed, maybe more controversial tests, if you will, but the more detailed tests on the thyroid, and we find, yeah, they're borderline low, or they are low. And that's the other interesting point about thyroid is many times people are borderline low, they're in the normal range, so the doctor is correct in that they don't have a low thyroid, but they could have a non-optimal thyroid. So while it may be in the normal range, it may be low for them. So what we'll do is what's called a clinical trial. We give them a very low dose thyroid. We give it a month, we see how they feel. If they feel tremendously different, tremendously better, we then recheck the lab tests. As long as they're staying in the normal range, they're just on a higher part of that normal range, we hold them on that dose as being a favorable treatment dose.